Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is Paola. I'm the founder of Fanm Djanm, and I want to talk about our last shoot of 2021. For our last shoot of 2021, we photographed mother and daughter duo Tabitha and Ayak. I shot Tabitha and Ayak last year when I was very pregnant with Shaka, and so many of our customers and so many people from my personal Instagram love the images. This is where we show the images. And I thought it could be a fun thing to bring them back and shoot them together. I absolutely love photographing Ayak. She's 4 years old now. She has such a strong camera presence, and I think they photograph beautifully together. And I wanted to create some beautiful moving portraits with them. I wanted to create some beautiful portraits for my personal portfolio and for Fanm Djanm's catalog as well. And I just feel like shooting them inspires me so much to be more creative and to think outside the box. So I wanted to shoot things from the Mama and Me collection, and that is our stretch knit head wraps with the matching stretch knit kids headbands. I wanted to shoot 2 head wraps from the evening collection, and I also wanted to shoot our solid bandana with our solid cotton head wraps together, just to show you the versatility of the bandanas, because I believe they are a great product for adults to wear as a bandana and to be used for other purposes, but also they're perfect children's full head wraps. I feel like shooting them really reaffirms or really reminds me how sometimes simplicity is so powerful. You don't need much sometimes. All you need is good light, a good subject, and that's it. We shot Zétoile on Tabitha, and that's our lightweight, super breathable golden head wrap. It's one of my absolute favorites. Also a very new release. It's done so well for the holiday season. And I thought it translated very well into the new year, because I think often we focus so much on looking glamorous at the end of the year, but what about the beginning of the year? Why can't we step out, go to brunch, go on date night, or take ourselves out for coffee and look absolutely stunning and glowy, you know? So that's the energy we want for 2022. We also shot her with AG, or silver metallic head wrap. And I just really wanted to show people how silver looks so gorgeous on brown skin and very, very dark brown skin. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Honestly, I was left breathless, and these images, and I hope these clips will also show you how beautiful silver looks on brown skin. And yeah, if you don't have a silver head wrap, what are you doing, sis? If you're wondering what I'm making épices. This is it's basically, it goes into most things in Haitian cuisine. If you don't have épices to season your meats, your fish, what are you doing? You need a silver head wrap and you need épices. I would like to create more behind the scenes videos to show you, or to talk about why I do things, why I choose specific head wraps or subjects. And if you want more of those, please comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are uploading now every week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you for watching.